How to delete page on Facebook. Hi guys, so in this video I'll teach you how to delete page on Facebook. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So don't skip any steps, because if you do, you will miss all of the things that you can do. So the first thing you need to do is to head over to your Facebook app right here, and after that click on these three lines. So what you need to do is to just switch to your page. You can do so by clicking this arrow down button and then clicking on your page that you want to delete. So let's click on my page, and then you will switch on your page right here. So what you need to do is just click on these three lines here again. So let's click on it, and then you can just click this gear icon, or you can also scroll down and click on settings and privacy and click on settings. So let's click on settings right here. And after that, from in here, you can just click on search settings and search for delete. So let's search for delete right here. Then you can see this delete my page and information. So just click on that, and this will direct you to another window. So you can deactivate your page, or you can also delete your page. So let's click on delete right here, click on continue. Then after that, you can find it a lot of things right here, but you can also just continue right here. Then you can save your post, all your information or anything, but once you're done with everything, you click on continue right here. Then in here, they will ask for a password before deleting it, and after you put your password, click on continue right here, and then your page will be deleted. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you delete page on Facebook. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.